this practical, you will study the types, sources, and effects of pollutants on a freshwater stream. Select a section of a freshwater stream that is influenced by human activities. Record the weather conditions, date and time of the investigation. Sketch a map to show the environment around the freshwater stream, such as nearby habitat types, land use, location of villages. Note any possible sources of pollution. Record the colour, turbidity and odour of the stream. Record the amount of floating matter and suspended solids in the stream. A. Study of biotic factors in the habitat. Observe and record water plants growing along the stream sides and on the water surface. Observe and record aquatic animals. Green algae and sewage fungi in the freshwater stream. B. Study of abiotic factors in the habitat. Temperature. We can use a digital thermometer to measure the temperature of the stream. Put the probe of the thermometer into the water. Wait for 1 minute and record the temperature when the reading stabilizes. Water flow rate. We can use a flow rate meter to measure the water flow rate of the stream. Ensure the fan of the flow rate meter is facing the water current and then lower the fan into the water. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds and record the water flow rate when the reading stabilizes. Choose a representative point in your study site. Use a sample bottle to collect a water sample, sample 1, at that point. Choose a point where domestic effluent is discharged. Collect a water sample, sample 2, at that point. Keep the water samples for further analysis of their dissolved oxygen concentrations and pH values. Dissolved oxygen concentration. After returning to the laboratory, measure the dissolved oxygen concentrations of the water samples with a dissolved oxygen meter. First, open the cap of the sample bottle. Dip the probe of the dissolved oxygen meter into the bottle. Record the dissolved oxygen concentration of the water sample when the reading stabilizes. pH value. We can measure the pH values of the water samples with a pH meter. First, pour the water sample into a beaker. Dip the probe of the pH meter into the water sample. Record the pH value of the water sample when the reading stabilizes.